Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Appwrite login issues step by step. If you're unable to sign in to your Appwrite account or your application's authentication isn't working correctly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. So let's get started. First, double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. Make sure caps lock is turned off, watch for typing mistakes, and try entering your credentials again carefully. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link on the Appwrite sign-in page and follow the instructions sent to your registered email address. After creating a new password, try signing in again using your updated credentials. If you're building an application with Appwrite authentication, verify that your project ID, endpoint URL, and authentication configuration are correct. Also confirm that the authentication method you're using, such as email and password or OAuth, has been properly enabled in your Appwrite project. Another helpful step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies or try signing in using a different browser or an incognito window. If you're using the Appwrite SDK, make sure you're running the latest compatible version and review your application's error logs for authentication-related messages. Finally, check your internet connection, and if you're using a self-hosted Appwrite server, verify that the server is running correctly. If the problem continues, review the Appwrite documentation or contact the Appwrite community for additional support, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Appwrite login issues and restore access to your Appwrite account or application. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!